Hi there, I thought I'd make you a quick video to show how to use your Countertime regimen. And this is the first step. This is the cleanse step. So this is your lipid defense, and it's a cleansing oil. And don't be worried, it's not going to make your skin oily at all. So you just rub on gently. And I like to go on my neck, and then however you want to wash, and then you add just a little bit of water, and you can see it suds up really nicely. So I'll do this quickly. You can see, oh, it feels so good. It feels like it's super clean. Then you just pat dry. Okay, and then the next thing you're gonna do is, this is the really great toner. This prepares your skin for the serum. And this is the Countertime Moisture Boost. And it does give your skin a nice moisture boost, opens up those pores and makes sure they can soak in all of the great serum that you're gonna apply next. So that's prep. And then this is treat, and this is your really wonderful serum that you're gonna put on. So just like a drop is great, start with that. And then we're just gonna pat on and wait like a minute or so till it absorbs. Do something else for a second. Just let it absorb a little bit, and then you're going to protect it with your Supreme Cream, which is day or night, or if you got the day cream, this is the soft cream. I'll go ahead and put a little bit of that on. It's not as thick, and a little bit protects your skin, locks in all of that wonderful serum, which is filled with great things to improve your skin tone, shrink your pores, and also acts as a natural retinol with Beautycounter and Swiss Alpine Rose. So it's just wonderful. And if you did get the eye cream, a tiny bit goes a long way, and just with your ring finger, go and just tap on just a little bit. I'm almost out of this, you can see. And then you can go ahead and add, I like adding Dew Skin, which is a tinted moisturizer, a little bit more moisture, and it's got SPF in it. And then I'll add a little bit of our Think Big mascara, a little lip gloss, maybe some cheeky cream blush, and you're good to go. And your skin, I'll tell you, my skin has gotten so much better at using this regimen. I use it morning and evening. So in the evening, you're gonna put on just a little bit of this thick, beautiful Supreme Cream. Okay, it should last you quite a while, so let me know how you do, okay? Thanks.